New from FasTest, the Easy Connect ZF, our latest innovation to improve in-process leak testing of products with formed tubes. This lightweight connector fits a range of sizes and styles. Formed tubes vary in surface finish, material, and manufacturing tolerance that previously required a custom-designed, application-specific connector. This is no longer the case, thanks to the Easy Connect ZF. The wide-tolerant ZF connector is manufactured with lightweight aluminum components, reducing strain on the operator. The angled seal provides flexibility for size variations while auto-aligning the connector onto the tube, simplifying actuation and reducing connection failures. The ergonomic finger groove sleeve creates a smooth, intuitive, one-hand operation. Each ZF has a size-specific, color-coded handle, making it very easy to select the right connector in multi-port applications. ZF, the one-of-a-kind wide-tolerance connector that ships in 2 to 3 days. The ZF improves in-process leak testing of many products, including engines and manifolds, radiators and reservoirs, castings, small appliances, plastic barb components, and lawn and garden products. For more information on the new and innovative Easy Connect ZF or other FasTest products, visit fasttestinc.com or contact your local distributor. Easy Connect ZF. Leak testing just got easier.
For more information, please visit Technical.